Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Dion Antonio Manor, the little big brother of the person I am introducing today. This person is very special to me, full of love, and she thinks she is my other mama, which I kind of like, even though I didn't want her to know that. My sister does not smile a lot, like our granddaddy. Sorry, Dad. But her heart is full of love. My sister is an honor student at Eustis High School and a member of the band auxiliary. She has a quiet strength, and for a sister, she is very pretty. And as a side message to the boys, I'm watching you watch her. I am proud to introduce my sister, my friend, who I love very much. Don't say it often, but I do love her. Miss Destiny Cherie Manor.
It's on you. Let me make my own decisions. Trust me, let me go. Why do I have to have a curfew? I know what to do and how to act. Stop treating me like a little kid. All familiar words, right? As teenagers, you either say or think it. And for the adults, I know you remember saying it to your own parents, or at least thinking it if you were too scared to say it. We want to be able to make our own decisions, do what we want to do. But the minute things don't go right, we find somebody to blame, not ourselves. This is exactly what Jesus was talking about to the men at the pool when he said, "Will you be made whole? Why are you sitting here waiting on someone to put you in water?" Making excuses like I don't have anyone to put me in the water. I don't have anyone to help me. Just like teenagers today, we want our parents to treat us like young adults, yet we act like babies. I got that referred today because Ms. Smith doesn't like me. I don't understand the way Mr. Jones teaches, that's why my grade's bad. Do you stop and ask for help? Do you stay after school for tutoring? Do you study more? I can answer that, no. It's easier to complain and blame someone else. Listen up, stop blaming other people. It's on you. You want better grades, study more. You want more friends, learn how to be a true friend. You want to be trusted, then be trustworthy. You want people to respect you, then respect yourself and others. You want to be treated like a young adult, then grow up and stop acting like a brat. Just as Jesus did not ask the man if he needed help getting in the water, he asked him if he wanted to be made whole. I ask you today, do you want to do better, be better, serve better, and be blessed better? Follow these instructions. Listen very carefully now. First, pull out a mirror. Second, look at the person in the mirror. Third, put first things first. Matthew 6:33 says to seek God first and everything else will fall into place. And last, just do it. Remember, it's on you. Amen.